Five and the skipper comes out. He must have known he's lost a big toss there. Done before. Now he found the gap here. This could be a great. Scored another one. Nobody there. And straight away, cold. Powerfully by Dhoni. Dhoni takes the aerial route into the crowd. This goal. Again, attempted pull. Where's that one? Dhoni bends it down the ground. Rusty flurry.